My dear all students and peers, how are you? I hope that you are well than previous day by the grace of Allah. Today firstly I want to introduce myself. I am Shadat. I have completed my primary background from Padagram Primary Govt School and have completed my SSC background from Taragandhi High School and have also completed SSC background from Ullavara Science College, and finally I have completed my BSc and MSc in Applied Chemistry and Chemical Engineering from University of Russia. Today I will discuss about group 15 element in periodic table. Let's go start my lecture. The easy technique of this group, that is নোয়াখালীর পলাশের আজ শুভ বিবাহ. নোয়াখালী means nitrogen N and পলাশ means P অর্থাৎ phosphorus, and as means S, that is arsenic, and শুভ means SB, that is antimony, and vivaho means BI, that is means bismuth. Now I will discuss the easy way to memorize atomic number of this group. নোয়াখালীর পলাশের আজ শুভ বিবাহ. Nitrogen, that is atomic number is 7, and add 8 to 7, that is 15, and add 18, that is 33, that is atomic number of arsenic, and add 18 with 33, 51, that is the atomic number of antimony, and finally add 32 with 51, 83, that is also atomic number of bismuth. So today lecture is finished here. Thank you for watching my video. I want to see with all students and guys my next video about group 16. No more today.